Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, YouTube questions and topics. The informations of this video are from Google search and growbrain.com. Our topic for today is create effective description to get your YouTube channel noticed. The most important part of your video description is the first line of your description. The way you start off your description is what search results are going to make their first look at. Your description should start off with one of two sentences that simply describe the content of the video. Question to think when you make a description. What is this video all about? After the first line is where you get a little more room to maneuver. Here you can add a longer synopsis to the contents of your video, or even create a table of contents for a longer pieces. Furthermore, this is where you start adding links. You want to link to your other social media like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and more, as well as other relevant pages. If you're doing product review, then link that product in your description in case your viewers is interested. Sponsored links can help in the description box. Don't forget to share the link. If you're using other people's video, link to them. If you are collaborating with other channel, link to them. Making connection is a great way to get your YouTube channel noticed. I hope this video will help us improve our channel. This is where I got the reference of this video from Google search and GoBrain.com. More power, God bless, and a million thanks to all my channel members. They are Katoto Komotur Blog, Ganya Official, Roach Joel, Angie TV, Mirasol Idlon TV, and Bert Lambujo. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.